domain, you've got your hosting, and you've connected them by adding the name servers to the domain, which points your domain to your hosting account. So now we're going to connect your domain to your hosting, to your cPanel. As you can see, our domain name, the maintenance marketers.com, is not available online as yet. So let's sort that now. So first thing you need to do is find your hosting account's dashboard. This is usually called cPanel. You can find it in the link from your welcome email from your hosting provider, possibly Namecheap. So this is me. I'm logged into my WHM cPanel. So what we're looking for is create a new account or add domain or something along those lines. So we'll go ahead and create a new account for our domain, themaintenancemarketers.com. So what we do is add that in here, and we need to take the HTTP away because they don't like that for some reason. Set up a username, that's fine. Password, just use a strong password generator, and for your email you just use your best email address, because this is where you will reset your password, etc. If you have any trouble logging in to your website in the future, this is the email you will use. So I'm going to use the just copy that and at gmail.com. So my email is the maintenance marketers at gmail.com. So this is my admin email, so I'm going to copy that so I don't have to type out again. Choose your package. All this should be fine. Don't worry about any other settings. Just go ahead and create your new account on your hosting cPanel. So this will take a couple of minutes to install. Got a couple of more steps to take as well before we add our WordPress softwares. So create new account creation status is okay, so everything looks fine there. So what you do is go ahead and go to your cPanel. So this is the brand new cPanel control panel for our domain name. So our domain name is connected to our hosting now, and it has its own standalone cPanel. So in your cPanel you're going to look for WordPress. Sometimes it's called WordPress click install, or one click installs, or WordPress installer, but basically we're looking for WordPress within your cPanel. And this they're trying to get you to add other softwares to your WordPress install, but we don't need any of that stuff, so we will just go ahead and click on install now. So as you can see, we've got HTTP themaintenancemarketers.com, and this is the WordPress version, so it's going to install the latest version of WordPress. I think that installs I think they update the WordPress version sort of once a month, every month. So if we just scroll down here, and we're not going to bother with their site name or anything at the moment, just leave everything as is. Apart from this email address here, I would change that to your actual email address. So the maintenancemarketers.com, and you will have your own email address for it. This is your admin email, so for any issues like you forgot your password or you can't log in or something, you need a good email address. As I mentioned before, they're trying to pre-install other softwares, but we don't need any of this stuff, so just uncheck all of that. And we'll go down and email installation details to the maintenance marketers at Gmail. Obviously, you'll use your own email address here. Don't be copying mine. You can either click on quick install, or I wouldn't suggest doing that, as you probably need to change these details here. So we'll just go ahead and install WordPress. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please don't leave this page until it is done. So there we go, congratulations. The software was installed successfully. So we can go ahead and check the website now, and there we have it. This is WordPress essentially. It's a basic setup. We've basically just installed a CRM to, sorry, not a CRM, WordPress softwares, and as we refresh this page, you'll see it's the same. There we go. So my blog. So now we have a functioning website online. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to start customizing your website to make it look professional. So go ahead and install WordPress on your own domain name. Once you're done, let us know in the community that you're ready for the next step, and if you need any help, just let us know. Cheers.